Decoded, Esaus and Jacobs, using Chibueze's human nature quadrants to precisely understand your gut and when to follow it. Written by Chibueze Victor Onwugaje, DVM. Narrated by Chibueze Victor Onwugaje, DVM.
Epigraph. Ignorance is the greatest sin. If you knew better, you would do better. Dedication. Thank God, the Supreme Being, who crafted the universe and hid abundance just below the surface for whoever is looking. Glass half full, eternal optimist. This work is dedicated to the Esaus, but especially the Jacobs, who have despised and loved, spoilt and robbed, devastated and motivated, played and paid, nurtured and deprived, exposed and protected, praised and punished, underrated and trusted, and to all who ultimately have contributed in shaping me, I say thank you. To divinely understanding friendships and partnerships which have been through fires. The letters of the Chibueze human nature quadrant represent E for Esau, J for Jacob, HE for the Esau hybrid, and the HJ for the Jacob hybrid. Chapter 1. Introduction. If a poll were taken inquiring if you believed eggs could be unscrambled, you would be in the majority with the opinion that it was a rare foolishness to even consider. A more scientific debater would argue how the cooking fudges the egg proteins, breaks its chemical bonds, causing new bonds to form. On cooling, the proteins cannot return to their raw configuration. And even if they did, it would be impossible to wield cutlery in such a way as to separate the yolk from the white. The mixing and cooking are irreversible processes. As a bit-mad parallel thinker, I disagree.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?